Hello, this is your tutorial for Monday, April 27th. I hope you had a good weekend and thanks for watching this video. So we're going to go through today's work and then I'm going to show you a cool game on ABC Yeah that you can try and practice your nouns with. So let's start just like last week. Please write neatly and don't forget your finger spaces. Read, trace, and write. And we're practicing our sight words. And these words all start with the letter G. So we have going, like I'm going to the store. Green, like the grass is green. Grow, like you can grow tomatoes. And gave, like I gave my grandma a tomato. Okay, pull out your pen or pencil. Pencil's better because you can erase it. And we'll start with going up here. So we're gonna, on the dotted line, trace the letters and try to make it look as nice as you can. So G goes up and under the line. O, you see how we're touching the line. I, and the dot goes above the line. N, G, and then down here, you're going to keep going. Same word, G, O, I, N, G. And don't forget your finger space because we don't want our words touching, else you can't read it. G, O, I, N, G. And finger space, do another one. And same thing for green, grow, and gave. Okay, try to make those look as nice as you can. And if you're still working on your alphabet, take a look down here and practice your letters. It helps to say it out loud, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay? And let's go to the next page. We have a new digraph for you. Do you remember what a digraph is? It's when you put letters together and it makes a special sound. So today we have the letters E and A together. And let's get our highlighter out. So let's practice the E sound, like in seat and clean. E. Okay? E and A together usually sounds like E, a silent A. So just like our printing, we're going to use this line. E touches the middle line and the bottom. A, finger space. E, A, finger space. E, A. And then fill up the rest of the line, please. Oh, this is going to be funny. I hope you do this. It says, draw your teacher below. So that's me. What do you think I look like? Oh, here's my legs. Here's my big belly. I got a little tiny head. Yeah, I got a couple hairs. And little stubby arms. And I always have a pocket so I can have my pens and my buttons. And I got shoes. Eh? Is that what I look like? Maybe yours will look different. And over here, fill in the E words below. So in the blank spaces, you're going to write E and A, and I want you to sound out these words. So the first one, B, B, E, K, beak, like a beak on a bird. S, E, T, seat, like a seat on your bike. M, E, N, mean, a bully is mean. P, E, S, peas, like the vegetable peas. St, E, M, steam, steam when you're cooking rice. Cl, E, N, clean, clean up after yourself. So we've got beak, seat, mean, peas, steam, and clean. And you notice how it always sounds like E in the middle? Because that is our digraph. And then over here, draw your dream from last night. And if you're like me, you don't remember all of your dreams, so maybe you can just draw any dream that you've had before. Sometimes I dream about my old cat. Her name was Tinker, and she looked like this. She looked angry, but she was actually really happy. And she was mischievous, and she had a curly tail, and she was always sitting down like this, just waiting for something to happen. Okay. All right, but remember, it's your dream. You didn't dream about my cat. You dreamt about something else. So show me that. Oh, messed it up. We're gonna do that again. Big circle. There we go. And let's go down to our daily language review down here. Okay. Highlighter. Daily language review. So just like last week, correct the sentences. Number 1 and number 2, there's mistakes in the sentences. If you see I underlined something, that's because there's something you have to fix. So let's pull out our pencil and let's read the first sentence. Number 1. The water on Earth is used over and over again. So there's only one mistake, and it's the comma. Why is there a comma right there? We don't need one because this should just be one straight sentence. The water on Earth is used over and over again. You use a comma when you're separating two different ideas, but this is just one idea. So let's just get rid of the comma. Everything else looks good. So let's fix it down here. And please make your letters touch the line, and don't forget finger spaces. The water on Earth, and remember, no comma this time. Water on Earth is used over and over again. So like when it rains, it gets hot and it evaporates again and it goes into the sky and it turns into clouds and fog. And if it's cold, it turns into snow. The water on Earth is used over and over again. Remember, lowercase g goes under the line. It's like you're fishing. You're dropping your fish hook down there. Period. Looks good. Sentence number 2. Because new water is not made, we must save the water we had. Everything looks good except the last word. Because new water is not made, we must save the water we have. Because we still have it, right? Had would mean it's already gone. Okay. Usually, you shouldn't start a sentence with because, but it's okay sometimes. So, because new water is not made, because all the water we have is everything, that's all we have. It evaporates, it rains, but it's always the same water, the water cycle. So if we lose all of it, if we waste it, we're going to run out of water. Because new water is not made, comma, this time you want a comma, because it's two ideas. New water is not made, we have to save the water we have. We must save the water we have. Must save, I ran out of room, so we go back down here. You must save the water we have. Period. Okay. And down here, underline the meaning of the bold word. Right here. Number 3. Water is necessary because it keeps living things alive. So the word necessary, what does this mean? Nice to have or needed? Water is needed to keep things alive. So we need to underline it, right? So underline. Necessary means needed. And last one here. Write a word that means the same as to use again. Begin the word with the letters R-E. So we want to use it again. So let's say you drank a bottle of water, but you wanted to use the bottle again, maybe to put more water in it. You would reuse the bottle. Reuse. Okay, good. Let's move on to math. Okay, I'm sorry if there's a lot of loud people in the background. I can't do anything about that. Okay. And oh, I always forget story time. Reading comprehension. We're going to practice reading and we're going to make sure we understand what we're going to read. Please read the story and answer the questions. And we have the OP, the op family. This is another digraph. Op. Just like bop and hop and top. Op, op, op. Okay. And the story is called The Bunny Race. Let's read the questions first. Number 1, what does Bop like to do? Number 2, where does Bop need to hop to? Number 3, what does Bop need to do to the balloon? Okay, and let's look at the pictures first too. We have a balloon. We have some buns over here, bunnies. And this looks like a mop. And is this some water? Someone made a big mess. Let's read it. The bunnies like to race. Bop the bunny is fast. Bop will hop to the top. Bop will stop to get the mop. Bop will hop to the balloon. Bop will pop the balloon to win. Hop fast, Bop, so you can win. Okay, number 1, what does Bop like to do? Let's see. The bunnies like to race. And Bop is a bunny, so he likes to race. What does Bop like to do? He likes, don't forget the S, he likes to race. Period. Number 2, where does Bop need to hop to? Bop the bunny is fast. Bop will hop to the top. That's our answer. Bop needs to go to the top. To the top. Period. One more question. Number 3. What does Bop need to do to the balloon? Let's see. Bop will hop to the balloon. Bop will pop the balloon to win. So he needs to pop the balloon. That's the answer. What does Bop need to do to the balloon? He needs to pop it. He needs to pop it. That's how he's going to win the race. All right. Now it's time for math. Sure this time. Okay, get rid of that. And let's go down to math. Okay. Daily math review. We'll start with number 1. And we've got 4 plus 8 plus 2. 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 2. 1, 2. 4 plus 8 plus 2 equals 14. Next question is 4 plus 10. 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same answer, 14. One little trick, you could do, maybe you already saw it, is maybe you already know 8 plus 2 equals 10. You memorized that. So then it's the same question. 4 plus 10 would be the same as this. It's another trick you can use to save yourself time. Question number 2, 20 plus 10, start in the ones place. 0 plus 0, nothing plus nothing is nothing, right? 0. 2 plus 1, can you do that in your head? 2 plus 1, 3. So 20 plus 10 is 30. And now 30 plus 10. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 30 plus 10 is 40. Number 3, continue the pattern. So we got triangle, heart, heart, rectangle, rectangle, triangle. Okay, I like to write the letters so it helps me see it like that. So what comes after triangle? Heart. And heart again. And then rectangle, rectangle. For me, writing the letters really helps me think of the pattern. Number 4, circle the sum of 12 plus 7. Sum means what does it equal? Okay, 12 plus 7. If you're not sure, let's write it down here. 12 plus 7. 2 plus 7 equals, let's see, 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 7 equals 9. And the 1, you just drop it straight down. 19, 20, 19. That's what we're looking for. Okay. Just going to erase that because I wrote on top of the other question. All right, word question. Number 5. Manuel bought 6 toy cars, a kite, and 9 marbles. How many toys did he buy all together? Blank toys. Okay. Let's get the key stuff out. Manuel bought 6 toy cars, a kite. A means 1, right? I have a kite. And 9 marbles. How many toys did he buy all together? Means we got to add them all. 6 plus 1. Let's do it one step at a time. 6 plus 1 equals 7. And then 7 plus 9 marbles. 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 16. So he bought 16 toys. Okay, let's go down to the next one and we'll zoom in a little bit. And there we go. My eraser's getting funky. It doesn't always get all the stuff. Oh well. Question number 1, 12 take away 2. So we can use our number line. 12 take away 1, 2 equals 10. 22 take away 2. So our line doesn't go past 20. But you notice a 2 in the ones place, take away a 2 in the ones place equals 0. And the tens didn't change. So, let's see, 2 take away 2 equals 0. And the tens place doesn't change. So 22 take away 2 equals 20. Got it. Number 2, 6 plus 5. 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Over here, 16 plus 5. We'll start in the ones place. 6 plus 5, we already know it's 11. 1 goes here, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 16 plus 5 equals 21. Number 3, circle the best estimate for the sum of 98 and 49. Estimate means like you're guessing. Like you look at the two numbers and you're like, oh, it's going to be pretty close to this number. So 160, 140, or 150. I like to think of it like this. 98 is really close to 100 and 49 is really close to 50. So the best estimate would be 150. Okay. It's always good to round your numbers up when you're estimating, up or down. Question number 4. Continue the pattern. 100, 200. So you see we're going up by hundreds, right? The hundreds place is changing. Goes up by 1. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Okay. Another word question, number 5. Maya has 2 cats. Fluffy weighs 3 pounds less than Tigger. If Tigger weighs 9 pounds, how much does Fluffy weigh? Blank pounds and show your work. Okay, this one's a little trickier. Let's see. So, Fluffy weighs 3 pounds less than Tigger. Tigger weighs 9 pounds. So, let's do takeaway because we know Fluffy is 3 pounds less. She's lighter, she's smaller. So, 9 take away 3 equals 9 take away 1, 2, 3. 9 take away 3 equals 6. So Fluffy will weigh 6 pounds. Do you see how I did that? You got to get the key points out of the word question. Okey dokey. One more page and then we'll go on abcya.com. Oh, it's a good thing we practiced these a couple pages ago. Adding multiple numbers. So I hope you remember how to carry numbers because we definitely have to do that here. Okay. So this says, oh, we need that box to go away. There we go. Remember to start in the ones place. Use the blank space to help you think. Adding multiple numbers. So it's not just 2 numbers, it's 3 or 4 this time. So you see I did the first one for you. And we always start in the ones place. So 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 7. If you can't do that in your head, you would have to do all these questions here. And that's okay. However you get the answer, as long as it's right. So let's do this one together. 2 plus 4 plus 3. Let's use our number line. 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 4 plus 3 equals 9. Now we'll do the tens place. 3 plus 5 plus 3. So 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. 11. So our answer is 119. Okay, so I hope you're using a pencil so you can erase the number line. Next question. We'll do one more like that with the number line, then I'll show you the last 3 how I can do it just in my head. Because once you learn how to add and you don't have to use a number line, you can do questions like this really quick. But we'll do one more with the line. So start in the ones place. 7 plus 3 plus 6. 7 plus 1, 2, 3. And then plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that equals 16. Put the 6 down here, carry the 1. Now we have 1 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 2. 1, 2. Equals 12. So our answer is 126. Okay, so use your number line if you have to. But if you can do these questions in your head, that means you're doing really good. So check it out. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 177. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So you see, if you keep practicing and you can do this in your head, it makes it a lot quicker. Last one, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 198. That's why you have to practice. Save yourself so much time. Okay, that's it for Monday. Now let me show you that game on ABC, yeah, with the nouns. And remember, a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. It's going to help us practice that. I'll show you how to get there. So you're on abci.com. You click on grade 3. And this one is a word game, just like the pancake one. But we're going to pick a different one. It's nouns, nouns, nouns. Can I find it? I promise it's in here. I was just playing it. Here it is, ice cream talk. You see this one with the green monster? Click on that. It's called nouns and verbs. We're just going to do nouns today. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. And a verb is an action, like running or walking, but that's another lesson. Just nouns today. Okay, I think you'll like this one. So you press go, and it's up to you. You can practice just nouns, nouns and verbs, or just verbs. Let's start with nouns. Person, place, thing, or idea. So like grandma is a noun. Edmonton is a noun. Person, place, a thing. A taco is a noun. And an idea, love or bored or something like that. So let me show you how this game works. So I click nouns and then I press play. And this says, let's use the highlighter. Help the monkey collect 10 scoops of ice cream before the monster. Collect ice cream by finding the nouns and verbs in the sentences. So we're going to show you a sentence and you have to click the nouns. Person, place, thing, or idea. Okay, ready? We'll press play. Laura owns many shoes. So Laura is a person and shoes are a thing. Sports are fun. Sports is a thing. Flowers surround the house. Flowers are a thing. A house is a thing. A kitten grows to be a cat. So a kitten is an animal, which is a noun, like a person, an animal, and grows to be a cat. Many years ago, dinosaurs roamed the earth. Dinosaurs are like an animal, and the earth is a thing, right? It's a physical thing. Many years ago, dinosaurs roamed the earth. Oh, there's one more. I think it's years. Let's see if I'm wrong. Oh, I got lucky. You did it. You got 10 scoops without making a mistake. Tap the arrow to play the bonus game. So if you got all that ice cream for the monkey, you get to play this cool game. Check it out. Catch as much ice cream as you can. Hey. Okay, we don't have to start yet. Catch as much ice cream as you can in 30 seconds. Move the cone to catch the ice cream. Tap the arrow to start. Okay, ready? And oh, I got to use my mouse. Hopefully you can catch more ice cream than I can. Hold on. There we go. Oh no, I dropped all that ice cream on the floor. Here we go. There we go. 10 seconds left. Can you catch more ice cream than I did? There we go. We caught 21 scoops in 30 seconds. Do you think you can get more? Try it out and see. Okay. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll show you more stuff on ABC, yeah, with the next video, and I'll show you some other stuff too. And thanks for watching. Thank you for doing your homework. And thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you. And take care of yourself. Drink water, get some sleep, get some fresh air. Bye-bye.